Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I'm gonna break in for just a second on this series and touch on a feature of lists. So alright, let's do sentence or send. Hi, I'm Sam, nice to meet you. So alright, so I call this. Now if I put this through here, let's look at this. Let's look at list for a second. Iterable, new list, initialized from iterables items. So alright, I want you to think about this. This is an iterable. So if I put send and I run this on it, I get this chopped up. So let's go back. I know that looks, you were expecting it to do like a split, so let's come back and look at this. What I say? Hi, my name is Sam. So alright, now when I do send.split, it splits on the white spaces or whatever I put here, remember? But list, it chops this completely up, and I was looking at it. I don't think I explicitly, and that is a huge thing in Python, explicit, to state it 100% without a doubt. So when I run a list on this, so the reason why I'm talking about this is because on our board we want to split up, because right now AF is a string. So if I do AF list AF, guess what I get? I get a list of strings just like everything else we are doing, and that is going to be very, very handy, just like I did here. So that is what list will do. So you knew that this works on range, but I wanted to, guess what, explicitly make a video and show that it will chop up any iterable. Doesn't care if it's a string, a tuple, anything that is an iterable. Let's see where it was. Iterable, and you know that. New list, initialized. So this is super, super important. So I wanted to make sure you knew what we were going to do next coming up and why we did it. And then we're actually going to change this just a touch. So all right, thanks for watching. You know the spiel. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or my favorite, any video requests below, and we'll just keep going on this board layout. So thanks guys. See you next time.